Zach got 4 rows, y'all. I used to visit this truck here when I worked in New York. All right, y'all, let's dig into this. Let's dig into this. What's going on, family? Today we are headed to Harlem, and you can watch the complete Harlem visit on our January 28th live stream, Sunday, January 28th. But we're gonna go to Harlem real quick, and then we're gonna head downtown to the Lower West Side in Greenwich Village and enjoy some eats down there. I got my baby boy with me, Zach, today. So you guys enjoy the ride. Yo, getting that Egyptian muscle right here. Look at it coming in. That's the good stuff right here. That's the real deal. I can smell it from here. You smell it? Then we're gonna get the shea butter right there. Shea butter, shea butter. All right, y'all. We here, 14th Street, New York. Now, we've been to this spot before, and Zach wants some sushi today, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna get sushi. I might go to another spot, but we'll let him get a couple rolls in this spot right here in Mikado Restaurant. It's opening up the door. Here we go. As long as it's warm. I think I'm gonna just have a tea. I'm gonna have tea, y'all. They back there making sushi. I do like this spot. I'm telling you, I really do, but you can walk up there some, Sonny boy. Got a tree in here. It's nice. They back there making that sushi, man. Look at that. All right, there goes Zach. Zach got 4 rolls, y'all. So Zach invited me to lunch today. I was like, look, you want to go down and get sushi and you pay for it? He said, yeah, Dad, why not? No, he's laughing at that, right? Because I'm lying, y'all. He didn't say that, but. That boy, he got his coat on. Let me see how it is. Let me see, that look like the eel one, right? Music playing in the background. Is it good? Tell us about it. My office used to be right here, y'all, right there. My office used to be up there a long time ago. All right, man, we're going over. It's windy out here, y'all. Wow. This reminds me of how the streets was during Hurricane Sandy. Woo! Woo! This is serious, y'all. Every morning, y'all, I used to visit this truck here when I worked in New York. Hey, how's it going? Delicious, man. I used to work here. I used to come here all the time to this truck. Take it easy. My man. All right. Take care. Hey family, it's your man Matt DV. We just came from Mikado because my man right there, he wanted some sushi. And so look, I'm gonna get my boy sushi if he wants sushi. And right now I am on my way to this spot called Salt and Battery. I used to come here a lot years ago when I worked in New York. But it's right around the corner here, Salt and Battery. Let's take a walk around here and check it out. It's right down this street, y'all. Salt and Battery. Salt and Battery. Is it packed? That's where all those people. Oh, okay. I thought all those people were down there. This is it, y'all. Salt and Battery. I used to come here for lunch and get some fish and chips. Let's get some haddock. There you got a little cafe there. You got Salt and Battery right there. Let's go in and check it out. Zach, I'll probably eat in. Oh, there's no music playing. This is the spot. How you doing? Let's get the corner right here.
Give me a couple moments.
Okay. You mind being on video? Okay. Just want to make sure you're good. Okay, y'all know Zach just ate, right? There he goes. He's eating again. He just ordered again. We ordered at the last restaurant, Mikado's. Now he just ordered. So we got 2 orders, right? A haddock, fish, and chips. 2 orders, and they come with water. Each one of them get a water. That's $31 here at Salt and Battery in the West Village, in New York City, in New York. Digging in, right? That boy digging in, y'all. He's ate 12 times a day. That's it right there. We got that haddock and those fries. Those fries look nice and crispy. You ate some fries already? How's the fries?
Nice and crispy.
Nice and crispy. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're at Salt and Battery in the West Village, New York City. Can you believe we're in New York City eating? And this is his second time eating, man. He ate at Mikado's sushi spot, which it was delicious because I ate some of his food too. So I guess he's like, yo, since daddy ate some of my food, I'm gonna eat again. Oh, now he's laughing. Look, y'all, word is born. Look at this haddock right there. I got that haddock. I'm just gonna break into it. Oh, it's nice and crispy, y'all. Now see that steam coming out? Oh, look at the batter on there. See that haddock inside? And got that batter right there. Y'all know we're gonna dip it into this right here. It's about to drop. Let me tip it over a little bit. Let's dip that in there. Ooh, that batter's good, right? You didn't eat no fish yet, did you? He's getting down on his fries. He's getting down on the fries, y'all. I want to eat more fish. I ate the batter. That's really good. Really good. Let me put this camera down so I can dig into it now. So far, so good, y'all. Y'all know I'm not big on fries. Had to get the fries though. It comes with the, I started to say the shrimp and grits. It comes with the fish and chips. This is a big, hefty piece of fish, y'all. And that fish gets real fat in there. Don't think because when I showed it to you before, look at a little piece of fish. That's a big piece of fish in there, really meaty, haddock. Zach's quiet, that means it's really good for him. How is it, buddy? Just good? And the fries are crispy. I like crispy fries. These are really good fries. They're not fries, they're chips. Really good chips.
pour some malt on them now, and I'm gonna check and see if they got some
Hot sauce. Y'all know I like my hot sauce.
Do you have any hot sauce? Got the hot sauce, y'all. We got the hot sauce. Check it out. I got a cup of hot sauce. And now I need the, can I borrow your malt? I'm not bringing it back though. No, I'm just teasing. Thank you. All right, y'all. We got some malted vinegar right here. Squeezing it here with Zach. I'm just gonna pour this malted vinegar over the French fries. See that? Slide that on the other side of you. Oh yeah, let's go in for it now. Let's go into the fries again. Oh, I like, oh wow. You know, some malted vinegar have different qualities. I like that malted vinegar. Whatever it is, it's delicious. Try that malted vinegar on your French fries. Let's add the hot sauce.
Look, y'all, I got my hot sauce. Look, I got my hot sauce.
Let's put it on there like that. I should have tasted it first, right? Hold up. Yo, that's some good hot sauce. That's good hot sauce. Delicious meal, man. Salt and Battery, West Village, here in New York City. This your man, Matt DV. Signing off, but we not signing off. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Thanks for hitting the $sign thanks button to show some extra thanks and to help purchase my or supply my coffee habit. Nobody told you they love you the day you hang with the wrong people. This your man, Matt DV. I'm out. Peace.
Yo, we out here, y'all. It's time to head back to Jersey. It's still raining out here in New York. All of these little spots here are crowded. This is called Sea Sympathy right here. Sea Sympathy. Sea Sympathy. Sea Sympathy. T Sympathy. Right there in the West Village, y'all. Headed back home. Okay, y'all. Here we go. The reason we're going back home is because I can't afford to feed him. Hold on, he's trying to hide. I can't afford to feed him 2 and 3 meals within a half hour. Nah, I love every minute, y'all. That was Salt and Battery, y'all, here. I'll leave the address up right here. It was really cool. I know the address went up already. But I always forget what street this is right here. But we're headed back to the automobile and headed back to New Jersey. We had fun up in Harlem today, and now we're on the in the West Village. And that was Greenwich Avenue that we were just on. It's your man, Matt DV. If you haven't subscribed, man, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. I'd appreciate that. Okay, it's called the Lennox Health Greenwich Village Phyllis William Mack Pavilion. Where we at, Zach? We're on our street already. Wait a minute, 12, 13, 14, yeah. We parked down here. That's funny, right? We close, right? The brownstone.